How to block Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to block or deactivate your Facebook account. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. After that, tap on the profile picture icon or the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Now go to Account Center. Scroll down and go to Your Information and Permissions. Scroll down and go to Personal Details. Now here you will find the option of Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. Now tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Select your Facebook account and then simply go ahead and choose Delete Account to permanently block and remove your account. So deleting the account is permanent. When you delete your account, your main profile and everything else that you've added will be permanently deleted, including your messages, your photos, videos, and everything that you have shared on Facebook. You won't be able to retrieve anything that you've added on Facebook, and all additional profiles, messenger, pages, groups, and everything, including the messages, will also be deleted. If you're sure that you want to block and delete your account, tap on Continue, follow the on-screen instructions, enter the correct form of your password of your Facebook account. You will successfully start the deactivation or deletion process for your Facebook account. I really hope that you found this video helpful and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.